The peregrine falcon, renowned for its speed, is the world's fastest bird, reaching speeds over 240 mph 386 km/h. During dives, widely distributed, they inhabit diverse regions, from tundra to urban areas. Characterized by a distinctive black hood, their plumage varies, adapting to their environment. Exceptional hunters, they prey on birds mid-flight, employing powerful talons and a stoop hunting technique. Peregrines mate for life, often returning to the same nesting site annually. Despite past endangerment due to pesticides like DDT, successful conservation efforts have led to population recovery. Keen-eyed and agile, the peregrine falcon